pleasure now. It's a pleasure. As you go along, the first one is here. And then you are left behind. As you go along, you find out this and then your name is in the draw. So the draw is in November. And you will keep that for the
And by working with scientists, things are starting to turn around, and leaving no space unchecked to ensure that Seychelles preserves its natural beauty. Welcome to Seychelles, where the people are replenishing their oceans and their land. Now it's over to you to help preserve these treasures for generations to come. Welcome to Seychelles, one of the smallest countries in the world. Islands in the Indian Ocean, its lush tropical vegetation and primal forests cascading down to silver white beaches and crystal clear waters. Experience the deep blue lagoons and exotic treasures living among coral islands and reefs, with more than 900 species of fish, sea turtles and other marine organisms inhabiting the islands. The Seychelles is rich in nature's wonders. But human intrusion is invading these waters with plastics, refuse and discarded dangers. It threatens the Seychelles' biodiversity with global warming that leaves marine life hostage from mankind's thoughtless actions. From rich, deep, colorful oceans to coral bleaching and diminishing fish populations. As the sea warms, the coral turns white. Both sea and land feel the effects of human population. Animals mistake colorful pieces of plastic for fish and get trapped in fishing nets. Forests are under attack from ever-increasing storms and tsunamis. Mankind's unkind actions are leaving white sandy beaches covered in debris. These places of beauty have become hidden dangers for their natural inhabitants. But it's not too late. The people of Seychelles are stepping up to make a difference. Trees are being planted, action plans are being made for the environment, and by working with scientists, things are starting to turn around. Coastlines are being scoured, concerned locals filling sites with to ensure that Seychelles preserves its natural beauty, replenishing their oceans and their land.